Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Hello there, we have Graham, and we had him multiple times here on this channel. Songs like Body Language, Love Like Kids, I believe was one, and This Room Alone or something like that was one of them. And yeah, many others. So if you're a fan of Graham, watch out my playlist here on Garden Guitar. Let's take a look at this song one last time. All right, so we're gonna play it exactly the same way as Graham does, and that's the setup here with K-Paw in second. Let's look at the chords. Only 4 chord, guys. So we have C, the C, F, the A minor, and G. Let's start with the C first, and that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord is the C F chord, or actually the C F major 7 chord. So what you do here is to hold F major 7, but you're gonna throw in the C note as well. So that gives us third on A, which I'm holding with my ring finger, then third on D with my little pinky, then second G, first B, and open E. Okay. Next chord is the A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the G, and that goes third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and it starts with the C. So if you grab that first chord, you're gonna play like this. So you're going to start with the first 2 downs, and I like to play the first down on the bass string to really mark out the bass and the chord, and then you answer on the higher down strings down here. All right, so down, down, and then you continue with up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. That's 1 string round. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for it goes like this. And so on. Alright, so let's dive into the song, and I can just mention sometimes he adds 1 extra down or up, and so that's how artist does. Many times they go by feel, but this is a standard strumming pattern that we're gonna use, and that works through the entire song. Okay, with that said, let's go into the verse. Like I said, we're gonna play C 4 string rounds, and then the C F 4 string rounds, and that's it. Only this 1 round, C4, CF4, like this. 2, 3, 4, and CF. 3 and 4. That's the first verse. Into the pre-chorus now. It starts about 17 seconds in. And Alive With You, that's where I believe we are in the lyric. You're going to play 1 down on A minor, plus a pause. Then G 1 down. And then C, F 1 down. And then you're going to start to play 1 string round as well on the C, F. That's the first half of it. So you're going to play like this from the start. And the length of the pauses is as if you would play 1 full string round. So you're going to play A minor down, up, G, down, up, C, F, down, up, and then you play 1 string round as well. And then repeat that with A minor, down, up, G, down, up, and then you play 2 more string rounds on the G. So it will be... So that is the end of the pre-chorus. I'm gonna play that for you so you understand what's going on. I'm gonna count in the background there so you understand what's going on with the pauses and the strumming and all that. So let's start from the beginning with the pre-chorus. It was A minor, up, G, down, up, C, down, up. A minor, down, up, G, down, up. So that is the pre-chorus, and then you're thrown into the chorus part at 33 seconds in. Yes, now we're gonna play with just straight strumming, and we're gonna start with the CF2, then C2, then G2, then A minor 1, and G1. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's go C2, C2, G2, A minor, and G. Repeat, CF. Alright, so that is the chorus. And then comes the post-chorus part at 1 minute and 5 seconds in, one last time. That's where he sings that, and that's the title of the song. And you're just gonna stay with the CF chord for 4 straight rounds. And then start the second round. Now, the second round, it's just repetition. Second verse, second pre-chorus, second chorus. It's just played in the same way as the first round. We don't have any post-chorus part 2 here after the second chorus, because right after the second chorus, you're thrown into the outro part instead. What you're gonna play here is to play the chorus play for 1 round with strumming. And then you're gonna play the second round with just 1 down per chord. So from the chorus chords. And then you end with 1 down on the beautiful C. And that's the end of it. All right, so Graham's One Last Time. Great song. Obviously fits guitar very well. Everything you need is actually one guitar, perhaps a voice, and you're set for it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like this tutorial, and till next time, play tuned.